Now we're in a rickshaw. 5 people in a rickshaw. Oh, 6 people in a rickshaw, right? Yeah, 6 people in a rickshaw. You can imagine that.
The roads are not like this. It's all mud.
All mud, just done small, narrow.
This is how the roads were all over. Now this is something that has not changed.
A little narrower road though.
Same way we had all
water, pond, little water.
Yeah,
puddled out, and little streams coming through. See where that house is being built? That's where 2 mud huts were. No other houses were there, just those 2 mud huts. And Chris leans over and I see a young woman with her sari flapping in the wind and about 3 or 4 naked kids running around. And Chris leans over and whispers to me, that's my sister-in-law and my nieces and nephews. This is it. This is it. So we get out. So imagine those little mud huts you took the pictures of earlier. There are 2 of them sitting right here. And I'm sitting in the back. My, Chris and those guys come. They talk to my sister-in-law.
More or less like this. The huts was.
Yeah, similar to that.
But they have mud walls.
Mud walls on the side. So my sister-in-law runs down. There's a river down here. And my mother is bathing in the river. After about 5 minutes, you're seeing this woman, hair's wet, trying to throw her sari around, just chugging it up.
I came and told her. She said, I just asked the sister-in-law first. There was anybody called Chelamuthu here. She said, yes, we lost him as a little kid. She said, his mother is available? She's gone for a bath. I'll go and pick him up. Then she asked me who you are. I said, I'm his friend. I come from Coimbatore. We are searching for his parents. And if at all they are here, I'm supposed to go and bring him. So she just runs out. Mother comes. And mother comes here. Before I could ask her anything, she says, see, he had a cut. I burnt his leg. Put a heating rod. Then he fell down. His lips have got. Before I could ask anything, because we were all ready with all this. Taj gave me all the clues. Before I could ask, she's saying. And after everything she told about him, how he was naughty, he used to run and climb, all that quick session. Last thing she saw Taj there and said, if at all he's alive, he'll be like that. That will be his size. That was...
yeah. And then this is where out of the mud hut, they had those 2 photos I shared with you guys.
Yeah, they had...
Their prized possessions were those 2 photos that were,
His name was still there in the ration list, the government supplies they give, subsidized cost. His name was there, Chelamuthu. And one other thing that I found is, whenever Taj is here, in India, within 24 hours, his mother will call.
That's crazy.
This has been, I don't know, every time. I say, Chief, I don't know how she knows. She will ask me, I will say, no, she's not there. Because he'll say, don't tell now. But always it has been there all these years.
So, that's our story.